We'll guide you through how to use ClickUp for advertising. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once you're logged in, you'll want to start by creating a new space dedicated to your advertising efforts. Click on the plus sign next to spaces in the left sidebar and select Create New Space. Give your space a name like Advertising Campaigns and customize the color and icon if you like. Next, you'll need to set up a few folders within this space to organize your projects. Click on the plus sign next to your new space and choose Add Folder. You might create folders for different types of campaigns, such as social media, email marketing, and PPC campaigns. Within each folder, you can create lists for specific campaigns or tasks. Click on Add List within a folder and name it according to the campaign, like Spring Sale 2026 or New Product Launch. Now, for each list, you can start adding tasks. Click on Add Task and enter a descriptive task name, due date, and any relevant details in the description. Assign tasks to team members by clicking on the Assignee field, and set priorities using the priority flag. You can also use the Custom Fields feature to track specific information related to advertising, such as budget, target audience, or ad platforms. To do this, click on Add Custom Field within a task and choose the field type that suits your needs. As your campaigns progress, you can use ClickUp's views to get a better understanding of your workload. Try the calendar view to see deadlines, or the Gantt chart to visualize project timelines. Lastly, consider integrating ClickUp with other tools you use, like Google Drive or Slack, for seamless collaboration and file sharing. You can do this by going to the Integrations section in the Settings menu. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.